I'm going to show you how to make Google Slides. If you're at URL homepage, you can type in Google Slides, or you can type in drive.google. This is where I'm going to go to make my slides. Now I'm taken to my Google Drive homepage. I know it's my account because on the right-hand side, the icon shows the account is linked to my DSST email address. If I go over to the left where it says New, I'm going to click on that, and from here I can either upload files from the drive or from my documents, or I can create a new document. I'm going to create a new Google slide. Now I'm taken to the Google slide page, very similar to your PowerPoint. And in the upper left-hand corner, I'm going to make sure I title it right away. It saves automatically as I go, and it will save in the drive in which I opened it. All right, I'm ready to get started. On the right-hand side, I can change my theme so that I can have a different background, and I can use different slides as I go. In the upper left-hand corner, I can insert my images from the computer. I can search the web or drop them from other locations. I can have my text boxes. I can even do audio where I could record my narration, and we'll go through that in a different slide. The one thing that I want you to do is if you go to Move, you'll be able to see where your document is located in your drive, and you can move it to other locations. You want to make sure that you drop this document in our Google Classroom. Don't forget to text, email, or reach out to me if you have any questions. Have fun!